grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Oh my god, so all the people also who say I have to write a book or so, obviously my kids have done here something.
In progress.
How you even do that?
Don't worry about it.
How you find it? Thank you. That is awesome. Wow.
So mommy, I have one present for you, one last one. This one.
Really? After all this?
This one will top all of them.
I don't think you can top all that.
But I want to do it off camera.
Why? No, we do everything on camera. Come on, be brave, child.
It's personal. Can we do that camera?
Huh? But it's off camera.
Yeah.
Why? You video everything already.
Pregnant?
That would be it. So you really want me to turn it off? Crystal.
I think
Now which button to turn it off? The top button? Alright, so put it on.
So mommy, I really hope you enjoy this one.
Sounds like you don't want to video it.
No, I'll video it. This is very personal.
Okay, maybe get through today.
The pregnancy test. I don't know if you're so personal.
I love Mr.
This is a bit sketchy.
Are you ready?
I'm going now.
I love you after that. How do you think? You're getting married and leaving me?
Yeah.
Because I don't look like that. This is off camera. You're really pregnant? You're pregnant? Really?
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god, you're really pregnant? Nee, echt jetzt? Ohne Scheiß? Really?
I don't know.
You don't prank me right now, oder?
I never know nothing about it.
You prank me?
Wish nice.
Echt? Du bist schwanger? Echt jetzt? Nee, oder? Im Ernst? Sarah, tell me this is not a prank.
I don't know nothing about it.
You would have buying this for your
But you
friend.
don't know, you pranked me so many times.
So many would never prank you.
I can't be a Oma.
I think I would have put on my head and my eyes for me dead.
You say I'm gonna be a Oma, but a young one. Oh God. Echt?
You're serious, Crystal? I can't believe.
Echt jetzt?
Really?
Will you verarschen mich?
So Crystal, how far you're like
They don't play with me emotions here, yeah?
If you don't believe me, you never want to out one?
I'm not know that, Sarah.
So that's why me ask you how much. And that's why your belly so big.
Shh. You do it already?
So how much I know?
I don't know where this here.
2 lines. You forget how it
Yeah, but
goes.
it all look different.
I did it, guys. Look, guys, I made sure to put in the pea. My pea's never that yellow, but still, you know. Oh, God. So, guys, ready?
It's not prank, really? You're not gonna tell me later this
The
was
camera is off. That's an extra time. So I believe me. I And that's why Eric might come later because he's afraid when I get dead, so he might get dead after.
So we gotta be Oma. I don't believe this. Somebody would have explained.
Oh God.
You serious,
you know? Just since after Heidi, the day after Heidi.
Somebody can tell me.
Because it's vomiting and...
I think true. This morning, my mom tell us if she have a meeting in her bathroom. Yeah, I mean, they ask you if you're pregnant, but me always say that.
You spoil the joke. Like,
no, but me always say that, you know, me had trouble, yo. Oh God.
so mommy already returned, girl.
Oh my God, me I quit. We have to reach 1,000 faster here.
What do you mean I go quit?
Because we're going to quit also, you have to finish studying. Also, by the way, so when you go come? 9 months.
I have what you mean.
That's them, yes?
No, fresh. Because my last period did kind of suspicious, like just a few days and light and so.
So we were like 2 months, so we have yet. So
2 months, maybe more, I think like 6 weeks or
June,
so.
July, August, September, October. No. It's gonna be a December child eventually.
Really? Damn, not really cold then.
You're going to like me.
It's
Aww.
gonna be cold. I guess you can wear this then.
So we try this, yeah? Oh.
Time man.
Conchita, there. Oh my God.
Oh my Sylvester, mommy, the best Oma saying.
Oh,
You gotta be a Oma.
We never expect this material that go put on me.
So you're really happy?
Of course.
You don't think that she's too young?
Come on, she's 25. And she's all finished studying anyways. What do you hear?
Oh,
I'm so excited.
I'm gonna cry.
Corona by that time done, so yeah. But
It was at this moment he knew.
I'm so
He
experienced.
fucked up.
You share go screen on the entire hospital place. The place gonna be empty. Oh man. You taste so sorry.
Oh, you're for somebody. How is it to find out a bit of my Mother's Day? This
Oh,
is
come
weird.
back, Conchita.
Oh God.
Oh,
I'm shocked.
come here.
I'm in shock.
No, I'm not happy.
I think you're not gonna kill me.
So
I
come.
think I really did. I
I
don't
need a
trust
cook
me.
mug. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You really didn't remember anything we would do you.
Kick me out. Just flash through the window.
Ernst jetzt? Also ja ohne einschätzen, ne? Oh, da war du da.
Yeah, obvious, you know.
Yeah, we always say I'll finish whatever, but life always are different, so.
Oh my God,
Yeah, I go to like if an Eric come.
When he comes.
Sweat liquor.
Oh God, that's why I look like.
So don't tell you.
Good thing. You look to me, Dada.
Something like that.
Why shut the door back?
Because support we. I'm gonna say we because I'm like trouble.
Yeah, you
Oh
got
God, oh my God. Hey, shits.
Oh my God, poor that all these
I don't know what to talk about.
Only me hours about 4 You go watch it for me.
We admitted we get you big too, so you.
Mommy, me gonna leave the baby with you, right? I'll be studying.
Yeah, we need 1,000 subscribers and we can afford to stay home.
Yeah, let them subscribe, please.
Ah, das muss trotzdem auf die Kamera irgendwie, ne?
Sarah, bring mommy phone.
Phone, and we need the camera.
You wanna tell him?
You don't?
We can tell him. You me never sure if you would have killed me, me never want that the whole thing and the earthlish kite. Sarah, we need a cameraman come film.
Oh, God. Oh, and then we need to call Conchita immediately. Girl.
Carry mommy phone so she can call Conchita and we're going to put it on camera.
Ah, you're gonna be a home much. Mommy up there, you see this? We're gonna be a great grandmother.
Yeah, time
Oh
flies.
my god.
Yeah.
Maybe some money for buy some clothes.
So you want to tell that person?
So, I'm going to turn it? Okay. So you can hold it.
See
so you know.
next. Who's it that?
Okay.
Yeah, sweat.
So guys, my mom just found out she's gonna be a grandma on Mother's Day.
Shit, I'm gonna take my picture.
Somebody's a bit nervous.
Yeah.
But mommy, what are the chances Pan Mother's Day? And then me know, you know.
I'm glad that I turned foggy.
No wonder me they gain the pounds them and I wonder what I go on.
Again, hold that word again, I don't know.
You sure you're happy?
Look at that.
Should I answer?
Somebody not answer phone. Me know she there with her children.
Alright. Until
It's
next
alright.
time.
Oh God, people, I gotta be a Oma! Yeah,
A grandma!
oh my God, Mama, this is the best present ever.
Yeah, boy.
Sarah!
So what about all these things? I even got stuff to compensate, you know, just in case you kill me.
Yeah, just awesome. My hair color gonna be a curly grandmother.
So why me have to move out?
Because the baby might be a nice.
Yeah, you're gonna take care of me. Go back to
Oh no, not
sleep.
make weird noise. I don't do nice babies. Let me tell you, man. So, no worry about that. My bed big enough. Woo!
This is crazy, guys. I did not expect my
And
mom
that
to
on
react like
Mother's
this.
Day, I can't believe this. I never gonna forget this Mother Day in my entire life.
It's crazy. Why happened for Mother's Day? Like, what are the chances?
Oh, this is so magic. Oh God, I hope your shops them soon open.
Oh God, you're gonna buy out the place?
Imagine I saw one of
Mommy.
these flickers so
Mommy, what do you want it to be?
I don't care. I just want you to be happy and healthy and have 10 toes and 10 fingers.
So you have no gender? Like, I want boys, but I want a girl in the mix or something.
I know you know I love girls, but I don't have nothing against boys.
No, I want to raise some gentlemen up in here, you know?
I guess whatever it will be. And
But I also want a daughter with a softer side who can do all this
Yeah,
nice
but
stuff.
if
for
it's
me
a
too.
boy, we gotta teach him to be a gentleman and how he knows how to treat a woman, right? He's not gonna be a wife beater or some crazy guy. He gonna can cook and clean and everything. Not true.
Yeah.
And this gonna, oh my God.
Sarah, come help me with it. Sarah?
Oh my God, I'm gonna be a granny. 57 is that the right
Come on,
amount?
Sarah.
So we gotta be Oma.
Mommy, I have something to tell you.
It was a joke.
It was just a prank.
Got him! Got him!
Seriously now?
I thought she was gonna kill me, but it turned out to be just a prank.
Hey shit!
So next time it's to have that thing.
Nee, das hat Erik auch gesagt, deswegen ist er nicht hier.
So you throw your pit in them fool and now so they're pregnant. So you fall for it 2 times. Mommy, you have to do better than that.
You can buy baby clothes.
I feel sorry for you. You're just so excited.
I never expect this with me. dash me to the window.
You're not even hinterfragen, no. Questioning
no,
anything.
Oma.
Not yet.
Yeah.
You prank me for Mother's Day?
Look for the gifts. That's what counts.
I knew it. Oh, come on. I mean, I was like, she got a picture. You can't do me so.
We never expect you to be happy, but you cannot be relieved when you find out you're prank. So you're really sad?
Well, you get me also emotional and then...
No, mommy, like,
Oh, you explain your big belly.
just get weird. Unfortunately.
I believe you. On Mother's Day. So first we get all the goodies and the curls and
Let me get
I
it.
really did. And yeah, I turned off the camera because
Or so you thought.
so now my 2 children are pranked me about them being pregnant. Really? Well, then I can't believe anything anymore. It can't be house breakdown or whatever.
But never think you would not worry
In
about your
future,
belief.
also whatever happens here, no?
No, mommy, this is
I'm not gonna believe it.
no, mommy, this is the first one where you believe ever. Come, all of me prank them fail with you. This is the first prank we ever got good.
This is so mean.
You will soon get. You will soon get.
Really only me. Then when I put Amazon to that piece of pregnancy, whatever.
No, it was a real one and me draw the line upon it.
Really, nigga?
Cause me did try to buy the fake one, but it never would have come too late.
I will keep that so you never can tell.
Yeah, I will keep it for the baby to be to
Oh
come.
yeah, it's only here. I not go believe you until it come out.
You're gonna believe me when it come out, you mean like the belly start sure.
Well, we could all have something underneath or you bloat your belly or whatever and put air in it. Man, also, nee.
Me think you would have dashed me through the window. How come you not dash me through the window?
Why would I do that? I look like such a miserable person, like me would I do something like that?
No, but me think at least I would have been more critical. Me think I am still in school and all these things and life ahead of me. Like, we didn't expect a preaching or
I'm
something.
sorry if it disappoint you. You can't turn off the camera now. No.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is the sun, and it shines, says it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun,